Video, I'm going to show you guys how to do a storyboard. And a storyboard is something that's really useful to do for a research project because it can help you see connections between ideas, especially with ideas that have a variety of different facts associated with them. So the best time to use a storyboard would be right after you've taken all of your notes and read all of your sources for your research paper. And it's best to do it right then and then right before you do your outline or rough draft, because the storyboard can help you with that. So the first thing you'll need to do is, in class I probably handed out a sheet of paper that looks like what you're seeing on the screen, but if not, you can just take a big sheet of blank paper or some notebook paper and draw your own storyboard, or maybe use multiple sheets of paper because sometimes a storyboard can become quite large. So what you want to do is start with the center square in the center, and what you will do is take your research question and write down the answer to that question. So maybe my research question was, does knowing a second language make you more employable? And after doing all my research and reading my sources, I might find out that yes, it does make you more employable. More people want to hire you. So that would be the first step. Then the second step is to look at the larger picture ideas. So usually for this research paper, I would recommend drawing at least 3 other circles or squares off of that center square and putting down 3 to 4 abstract ideas that explain why you think your answer is correct. So if I do believe that knowing a second language makes you more employable, I would ask myself, well, what reasons do I have to support this answer? Why do I believe my answer is true? Why do I think that answer is yes? So in this case, maybe one reason I believe the answer is yes is because many businesses are broadening and expanding out into South America. So that could be one abstract reason why knowing another language makes you more employable. So what you do not want to put in this section are things like statistics or specific examples. You want to think about big picture ideas for these squares. Then off of those main reasons for why you think your answer is correct, that's when you're going to then add in more little squares and talk about your evidence to support each reason. So these squares would include things like statistics or quotes or like case studies or observations. So all of the details that you found when doing your research and taking your notes, that's where you would put these. So if I needed to prove that many businesses were expanding, to South America or overseas into China, maybe I would get some data from the Bureau of Labor Statistics to prove that, or to show maybe more overseas companies are kind of coming into the United States and they need people with language skills to kind of bridge the culture gap there. So evidence and details like that could be included in that section. So what I want you to do now is do a storyboard for your research topic and project, and what we will do after that is I will show you in class or through another video how to take your storyboard and then turn that into an outline and a rough draft for your research paper.